Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix can't install app problem on Play Store. We will go to figure out the solution. We will just click here on settings. Then we come here to settings window and you just go down. Then you click here on apps and we come to next window here like you say. We just go down to looking for Google Play Store and we will just go down. Then we click here on Google Play Store. Then we come to next window here like you say, and you just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK, and we go down. Then we click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. You should just click here on cache. Then you click here on data, and you just go to Play Store. You will go to Play Store. You click here on Play Store, and now you can install any app you want on your Google Play Store. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.